Hey y'all, it's Megan from Made for Mermaids, and today we're working on these little cord keepers. That's essentially just a rectangle with a snap, but they're super easy to make and they come in really handy to keep all your cords or headphones together, especially like in your junk drawer or in your backpack or bag, wherever you're keeping them. So you're just gonna cut one piece of your fabric. There's 3 sizes that are slightly different, a small, medium, large. So after you cut it, you're going to fold it in half with the right sides together. And we're gonna stitch all around it, and you're just going to leave a small, about 2-inch, depending on what size you're making, opening so we can flip it right sides out. And you're gonna use a 1/4 inch seam allowance. So I'm gonna stitch here and then stop here, start again and stitch the bottom. Okay, so I have it sewn and I press the seam allowance on each side where it's open, 1/4 inch to the back. Now I'm just going to clip the corners. And then I'm gonna flip it right sides out, and we are already almost done. So you can use a chopstick, or I have this little purple fang tool to press the corners out. Okay, then all we need to do is top stitch all the way around. Stick that seam allowance in there. I'll have to press it again. So I'm going to press this, make sure the seam allowance is inside, or press to the wrong side of that opening. And then you're going to top stitch all the way around, closing this, and then we just have to add the snap. Okay, it's all top stitched and closed. Now you're just going to fold it in half. Use your iron. I'm just going to finger press it real quick. Okay, and now we just need to add our snap. So I'm using just a plastic snap and plastic pliers. If you use a heavy duty snap, you might want to add interfacing to this. But what I like to do is kind of fold it in half and then press it through. These snaps are really easy to add, these little plastic ones. Add it to this side. Okay, and that's it. And then here are the size differences. So they're just slightly longer, a little bit wider to give you a little bit more room depending on what kind of cord you're using it to keep together. If it's really small or slightly bigger, you can use different ones. If you make these, we would love to see in our Facebook group or on Instagram at Made for Mermaids. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below and I'll try to answer them. Thank you so much. Bye.